Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the workbook open and editing enabled. Now find the sheet you want. Look at the sheet tabs along the bottom and use the left/right arrows if tabs are hidden. Once located, press Ctrl plus page down or Ctrl plus page up to jump between adjacent sheets, or right-click the tab navigation arrows to open a full list and pick a sheet. Make sure the sheet isn't hidden. If so, right-click any tab and choose Unhide to reveal it before proceeding. You're ready to adjust the sheet itself. To rename, right-click the tab and choose Rename, then type a concise name so formulas remain readable. Once done, drag the tab left or right to reorder. If you need a duplicate, hold Ctrl while dragging to copy. For moving or copying to another workbook, right-click the tab, select Move or Copy, pick the destination workbook and sheet position, and check Create a Copy when you want to preserve the original. These actions keep structure and references intact when done carefully. Finish up by cleaning or securing sheets. To remove one, right-click the tab and choose Delete. Be careful, deletion is permanent unless you have a backup. To prevent accidental edits, use Review right arrow protect sheet and set permissions or a password. Make sure you record the password in a safe place. If you can't find or change a sheet, check for hidden sheets via Unhide, and confirm the workbook isn't protected or that VBA hasn't set Very Hidden. If things go wrong, restore from the last saved copy or backup immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.